Hello everyone, I am Jyotsna Seth and today I would like to share my little insight about the way I used to work before and now. When I started learning graphology, I had a very poor handwriting and uh, main problem was not able to know what to do and when to do. The synchronization of work and time was lagging. So I started doing changes in my handwriting the way I learned from my mentor and started implementing on it. And after few months, I started getting the results of the synchronization between the time what I use and on what work I do use on the particular time.